Today we're going to check on the caprice. Hopefully we're going to pick it up as well. We took it down to Butches Automotive to get the wire harness put in correctly, so we're going to check on it. I know we found out the issue what was killing the battery, and that ended up being the alternator. They figured out that the alternator was putting out 18 volts, which was unbelievable. I never heard of that. So, and it was constantly draining the battery. Even when the key was off, the alternator was constantly draining the battery. So that, and man, it was a whole bunch of cut wires up on the car, man, and the back half of the harness was cut, man. I had no tail lights. The fuel gauge didn't work. But Butch Automotive got everything working, so I got a new alternator in the back. Hopefully we're going out here to pick it, take it out there, put it on. Man, tell you, man, Butch Automotive, man, they one-stop shop, man. They do what they do, man. That's why I take all my paint work, man. I take it to Butch Automotive. So yeah, I'm pretty much taking my convertible and my OBS going to Butch Automotive. So they did my Impala SS. They painted my tailgate on my truck. Previous car I had in the past, my 75 grand vehicle convertible, they painted it. Butch Automotive, yeah. They even fit the motor in my 75 Caprice, so yeah. Butch Automotive, man. I'm telling you, they the one. So yeah, but we're gonna go out here and check on and see the progress. Put the alternator on. Hopefully we can take that thing home today. Probably tinker around with that. I hope y'all don't think I'm giving up on my OBS, but this the Caprice thing is giving me a headache, and I need to get this done. And hopefully the wheels will come in the next couple weeks, and we can get this thing mounted up, get this trim put on this car, get it polished up, put on this car, and we get this thing on the road, man. Drop the top, get some hair blowing through our, get the wind blowing through our hair, man. So we can enjoy this summer, man. I missed all last summer, so we can enjoy this summer. So lay around for it, man. We about to pull up the Butch Automotive, see what we come up with. All right, man. Sorry about that, man. I was gonna vlog when I got up to Butch's Automotive to actually pick up my car, but something that happened. I don't want to go over the vlog, but I got the car back. It's nothing that Butch's did. Just know that something personal. So got the car home. Man, check out this wonderful job that they did. You can see no wires are exposed. Like before, it was wires all over here and wires all over here that was exposed. And the new harness, man, you can't even tell, man. Butch's Automotive did a good job. So, but they did tell me that I need a new alternator, because this one is putting out 18 volts. Too many volts is not good. So I got a new one. Had to go to Lawrenceville and get that, which is about maybe 20 minutes from my house. So let's swap that out right quick. Let's see what we come up with. We got the battery all hooked up. New alternator on. belt tone wide zone. So let's go ahead and see this thing run. See if we didn't make any mistake. Fire it up. Ooh. What we got? We got 18 volts? No, 14. I like that. Butches Automotive know what they talking about. Damn, it's even idle and a little low too. That's all right though. Oh yeah. Oh, big ball current. Damn. It was running at 18 volts and the alternator was killing my battery, so that's a piece of junk though. So that right there is going back. Then my $16 core charge back. So we got that knocked out. If you wonder why my bumper is off, I got new bumper guards. If you remember, I had a whole bunch of trim and stuff. I haven't got about the OBS, so I had a whole bunch of trim and stuff I'm put on the car. So got new bumper guards I'm gonna put on the bumper. So alright, one down. One more thing knocked out the list. So everything running good. Alright, let's move on to the next thing. Alright, man, go to front bumper for the Caprice. Front bumper guards we're gonna end up replacing because one of them got a little crack. Got little rivets on the back could be put on. They could be reused, but I end up getting some more. Not brand new, but very good condition. Way better than what I got, so. It's only 4 bolts, 2 on each side and the back. Pop them off. Well, I already got them off. That was a little tough, so. You see they've been on there since 75, so. Yeah. See they have the little rivets in the back coming off. Go to the bad one right here. As you can see, this one right here has been bumped or something. It's a little wide right here in the middle. That's why the splits right there. That's why the little rivets are gone in it. But it can be reused though. Somebody want them, I let them get it for a good price. Bumper guards, maybe 40 bucks, maybe 40 bucks. Maybe a good offer. I just don't want to sit on them, so. Alright, just gonna swap them out. Well, I'm gonna clean that up. Throw the new ones on. While I had the bumper off, I ended up putting a new bumper shock on it. That's the old one that was on it. See how it collapsed. Had to put a new one on it. See, I got some other space on it. On that one, and this was more collapsed. You can uncollapse them, but I don't know how. So I just ended up replacing it. So got a new one of those. Swap that out. Just go ahead and throw the bumper guards on there. Try to muster that front bumper on by myself. So let's knock it out. Man, we got that front bumper on and adjusted. We gotta go back to Butches Automotive to get the front bumper touched up. Man, you see we got some little small nicks in there. Ain't too bad, but it's noticeable. So yeah, we gotta get another mirror put on. I gotta find one first of all. Other than that, man, I'm gonna hold off on this project. I got a whole lot going on with this project. Like, I got all the trim for this car, wheel well trim, rocker molding. I got new other stripping for this car. We're gonna do something with this top. Got new wheels. They were supposed to be shipped out last week, so we're gonna hold off for a couple weeks. I'm still looking for real bumper guards, so if y'all know somebody got them, hit me up, man. I'll pay a finder's fee if they're in good condition. So, hypemike100@gmail.com. Anyway, you can get in contact with me, Cool Car KJ. Just let me know. All right. But we're gonna hop back on this OBS project. Got a whole lot going on with this truck. I know that's why majority of y'all are on this YouTube channel. So we're gonna hop back on this thing here. We're gonna swap these doors and fenders. Got a whole lot of wire we gotta do. We got electric windows we're gonna throw in this truck. We're gonna rip this whole dash out. Pretty much this whole interior is coming out. We got a tip column going in. New carpet going in. New headliner. Man, we got a whole lot. I got so much stuff I bought new for this truck, man. I just been stacking and stacking for the last few months. So, yeah. Got a lot of engine parts too, so this thing is about to be, it's about to keep me busy for about the next month. So, yeah. Y'all stay in tune, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. I need more subscribers too, man. Y'all look out for me. So, but yeah. We can focus back more on this truck. But for the Caprice project, I do have more headlights going in. They're more of a retro look, but more of a modern, rock around LED headlights. Like I said, I got trim for that car. But it's gonna be in the next couple weeks. Got to get back on this truck. So like, subscribe. It's gonna be the end of this one, man.
Peace.